Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to make text bigger on X app. So first of all, just go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead sorry, you're going to go ahead and click on search right here at the below right corner, and you're going to type X right here, and you're going to double check simply if there is a new update on Twitter app. If there is, just go ahead and do it. If there isn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, and I'm going to just show you how it's done. And here it says how to iPhone X font size on X app, and can I change the font size on X for your device? Yes, you can adjust the font size displayed on your X Android app or iPhone through your Android's or iPhone device settings. And if you update the font size through your device settings and do not see the update right away, try restarting the app basically, right? So what I'm gonna do, you're gonna be able to see right here to adjust the size. Go to the settings, privacy, accessibility, display, languages, and display and sound, and then display, and then drag the slider to change the font size. So in my case, that means that I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to the settings, and in the settings, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the display brightness. In the display brightness, you're gonna be able to see the text size, and I'm gonna be able to increase it or decrease it. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.